Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Rocky, and in this video, we're going to look at different body kits for the E30.
Let's start with the IS front lip. As you can see here, here's a before and after when I installed my sporty IS lip. Looks so much better. Next up, the Jimmy Hill front lip. Here we can see that different front lip on Hugo's BMW E30. Up next is the Volvo 740 front lip, which is a modified lip and put upside down. Then we have the Rieger Infinity front lip. And then the Cowcatcher, common in the US and A. And of course, you need side skirts. It complements the front lips that you put on. Looks very nice. Next up, the IS trunk lip. Small, but looks good. Let's look at the Mtech 1 kit. This is for the pre-facelift body and is rear valance, trunk spoiler, side skirts and a front valance. Really classy look, I love it. And the Mtech 2 kit, made for the facelift body. A little bit more modern, but still very classy. Next, let's look at M3 conversion kits. Normally you would see fiberglass kits everywhere. Now we have E30 Garage in Norway. They make the metal parts you need for your conversion. This is not an advertisement, I'm just very happy that this is on the market. All metal, no fiberglass stuff. Even if you're just fixing your rusty E30, they have a lot of parts to change out for the normal E30 as well. Looks very good. So if you want to change your two-door sedan or coupe to M3 body style, here you have it. And next up, the BBS kit. Rear track clip, rear valance, side skirts and a front valance. They also came with wider fender flares. This one is a little bit more custom, but like this touring here, this is what the kit came with. And the Kamei kit. Rear spoiler, rear valance, side skirts and a front valance. Next up, we have the Hartge kits. Here is one of them, but there are a few styles out there, pre-facelift and facelift. And the Alpina. They also have a few styles. Here's, for example, we begin with pre-facelift style Alpina. Very classy. And then we have the facelift version. Here we can see a Touring that has been made Alpina style, but it has a Mtech 2 rear bumper. Also, the Mtech 2 side door pods and side skirts, but looks really good. Next up, AC Schnitzer. Front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, mirrors. Then we look at the Zender body kit. Came in a few styles. Here's one with a front valance and rear valance. Here's one with side skirts and the front valance. And here we can see some classic advertisement for the body kits. Next up, the Pfeba kit. Trunk lip, rear valance, front valance. Haven't seen this one before. And the Rieger body kits. They are quite, well, you can see this one has the M3 E36 style twisted side skirts. This one has the E46 front bumper style and the side skirts from the E36 M3 as well. And yeah. And this one has a little bit more wider stance and some crazier designs for the bumpers. And then the Widebody kit style. Quite excessive, but unique. I can see the light, but I can also see the bones I don't know what else there is today. I'm doing my best not to run away. Next up, we have the Racing Dynamics kit. Rear spoiler, rear valance, front valance, side skirts. Not very common. Next up, we have the Breyton kit. Rear spoiler, rear valance, front valance, and side skirts. The crazy Folger white body kit. Similar style as the Rieger one, but a little bit different, and there we have a modified trunk lip. And the 2000 style kits. Who doesn't remember the Fast and the Furious 1? Full of crazy body kits that most of us don't want to see anymore. I found all these on Cliqtuning website, in case you're interested. And next up is the modern styles that are new. Cliqtuning. This is a style that is kind of Japanese JDM style. Bumpers and side skirts. Looks like modified Mtech 2 front and rear bumper, and then custom side skirts. Next up, Rocket Bunny Pandem. Quite popular today. This is a front lip, Overfenders front and rear, and the rear duck spoiler. As you can see, you can fit pretty wide wheels under there. Those Hartge wheels look really good. And next we have a style that I haven't seen before from the Speed Factory. It's made like the touring car racers like the 3.0 CSL, in that style. Not something you see every day. And pretty new, out, Live to Offend. Pretty crazy body kits, 16-piece, front bumpers, fenders, side skirts, splitters, you name it. Thank you guys for watching. Here are 2 videos I want you to check out. If you like this video, consider subscribing and liking the video. Comment down below which style is best. Which one is your style?